Hello students. I am Vijay Sharma. I am engineer, and today I will tell you something about P and N type semiconductor. P and N type semiconductor. Semiconductor are of two types: intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor, this I for impure, but this is a pure semiconductor. Pure semiconductor. This pure semiconductor is very bad conduction of current. But when we add some impurities in this pure semiconductor, then we get extrinsic semiconductor. This extrinsic semiconductor. So for this intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor, we must know the two semiconductor components, germanium and silicon. These are the basic semiconductor components. Atomic number of germanium is 32 and silicon is 14. Atomic configuration of the silicon is 284 and of this germanium is 2818 and 4. So when we add in intrinsic semiconductor, pure semiconductor silicon, an impurity of phosphorus whose atomic number is 15, then we will get extrinsic semiconductor. This is intrinsic semiconductor. How that I will explain you. Silicon, atomic structure of silicon is atomic number 14. So this is nucleus. In this we have neutron and proton. First orbit will contain 2 electrons, second orbit will contain 8 electrons, and third orbit will contain 4 electrons. And phosphorus, atomic number 15, atomic structure is like this: nucleus, neutrons and proton, first orbit 2 electron, second orbit 8 electron, and third orbit 5 electron. So when we add impurity, this impurity is very small. This impurity of phosphorus is very small. This impurity of phosphorus is very small. So it is, if we have 10 raised to power 6 atom of silicon, we add 1 atom of phosphorus. So what will happen here? 4 electrons will form covalent bond with the 4 electrons of phosphorus, and we get 1 free electron. And in this system we have number of atoms, and we will get number of electrons that will constitute N-type semiconductor. And similarly, when we add in silicon, this is called pentavalent impurity. When we add in silicon trivalent impurity such as of aluminum, we will get P-type semiconductor. So how it is? In silicon we have outermost orbit 4 electron, and aluminum we have 283, outermost orbit 3 electron. These 3 electrons will combine and make covalent bond, and this 4th electron will free. Electron remain behind. And when this will try to leave its position, it will create a hole positive charge. And in this system we will have number of holes, and it will constitute p-type semiconductor. So what is the basic idea of discussing this p and n type semiconductor? So this p and n type semiconductor, when we will join p and n type semiconductor, we will get a diode. This diode plays a very important role in the field of engineering. Two diode will make a transistor. And with the help of transistors, we are able to fabricate field effect transistor. Then we will gates, then resistors, flip-flops, counters, timers. These components play a very important role in our daily life, and they are used to fabricate television, laptop, CNC machine, components, microwave, oven, washing machine. So with the help of these components, we are able to fabricate these type of laptop, CNC machine, which are very helpful in our daily life. So this is something about a p and n type semiconductor. So students, we will meet you again in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.